Balanced and unbalanced forces. Dear students, if a body is moving, it is said to be in motion. Now you must be thinking, which are the characteristics that allow the motion to occur? Let me tell you the secret behind motion of objects. First we'll understand force. It is the force only which allows motion of an object. In general, force can be defined as push or pull on an object which provides motion to it. Force is something which is never seen, but its effect is observed in the form of motion of an object. Pushing of table, pulling of door are all the results of applied force. Force is also responsible for change in shape and size of an object. Forces can be balanced or unbalanced. Let's first learn about them. Balanced forces and unbalanced forces. Let's say John pushes box from one side with force F, and at the same time Daisy pushed the same box from opposite side with same force F. Will this box move? No, box will not change its position. This is because forces on both the sides are equal. Such a force is called balanced force. You can define it as forces of equal magnitude are applied in opposite direction. Now consider another case where John alone applies force on the box. So here, does the box move? Yes. This is because force applied by John is the only force acting on the box. Such force is called unbalanced force. Unbalanced force is defined as force of different magnitude. Unbalanced forces allows acceleration and hence provide motion of an object. In an unbalanced force, motion of object is always towards greater force. Frictional force. Dear students, when a ball is kicked, you must have observed that ball rolls for a while with gradual decrease in speed. At an instant, rolling of the ball stops. Question definitely arises that why doesn't the ball keep on rolling? How does it stop automatically? This means that definitely there is something or there is some force which opposes the rolling of ball, due to which the ball stops. This force is called as frictional force. Therefore, frictional force is defined as an opposite force exerted by the surface on which the object moves. So dear students, here we completed with this topic. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn laws of motion presented by Sir Isaac Newton.